The Emperor of Japan does hereby confer upon His Excellency Mr. Emtiyaz Ahmad, Pakistani, the Order of the Rising Sun. Kishida Fumio, Prime Minister. Onoda Hiromu, Director General of Decoration Bureau, Cabinet Office. The 29th day, the 4th month, the 5th year of Reiwa, 2023.
I am deeply honored and humbled to stand before you as I accept prestigious decoration of the Order of the Rising Sun, Gold and Silver Star. This award represents not only the recognition of my personal journey, but also celebration of the friendly relation between Pakistan and Japan. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the government of Japan for this remarkable honor. Ladies and gentlemen, I spent 16 years in Japan. And this is one of the best time I have spent in my life. This journey of my stay in Japan is filled with cultural enrichment and countless friendships. My experiences through my 4 posting to Japan, including 1 ambassadorial posting, has left an indelible mark on my heart. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to my colleagues in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and our embassy in Japan